Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you to a simple PLC program used to control industrial motors. Okay, so this motor here will be controlled with a software written on Omron CS1 programmer, and the hardware PLC is an Omron PLC that will do the controlling of the motor. Okay, so we have the PLC power supply, we have the processor, we have the input models, and we have the output model. Okay, so we also have the control panel with push button switches. Okay, we have the start, stop, and reset button. Okay, that we use to give command to the motor, and they are connected to the input of the PLC, input model of the PLC, and we have a contactor connected to the output module of the PLC. So when the contactor is energized, the contactor will close to energize the motor. When the contactor is de-energized, the contactor will open to switch off the motor. Okay, so everything will be practiced here and using the software and the hardware. The PLC will do the control. So the PLC is run from the software. The software, we will see, I will introduce you to the software now, and you will see that when we press start or stop or reset button, everything will respond fine. Okay, this program was written by our students last week, and I'm going to introduce you to the software right now. Okay, so see the software. We have the first rung there showing the start, push start button. The second rung is for the time on delay for the motor to start. So when I push the start button, the motor will not start immediately because I have a time on delay before the motor will start. So the time on delay, I will set it to 10 or 5 seconds for you to see. And we also have the next rung, which is a time off delay. So when I want to stop the motor, when I press the stop button, the motor should count before the motor will stop. It should count, the timer should count for 10 seconds or 5 seconds before the motor will finally stop. Then also I have the last rung there, which is the reset button, which is like an interlock. You cannot start the motor without reset after stopping the motor.